Hey everybody, so if you feel that you're missing design library for use forming tools, so I can show you how to show it in your task pane. So here we go. First, what you do is you can just directly add the library with using add file location, and then you can just directly goes into file C, and then choose program data, and then we can directly goes to Solidworks, and then this is the version that I use, Solidworks 2018, and then just choose design library and then OK. Yeah, so it will be directly show on your task pane. Here we go. And then if you want to drop or use the forming tool, you can just directly choose the whatever you want, then just directly drag it into the 3D model. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.